And we're back on it again. All right, so what I'm doing today is I got the LED bulbs from Amazon for these. I didn't get the light for this one yet. I think it was, someone said it was a T3. I gotta look it up. But these ones, I think it's about like a 6-pack, so it's enough for this one and that XV2. So at least it's just like the crystal blue, like comes in the Lexus. So I'm gonna swap these out real quick. Then tonight we'll check to see how bright they are when it comes through the crystal knobs. And then we're gonna finish working on a front grille that I started working with because I can use the Lexus emblem and I need to make slots for the oil cooler. So let me swap this out really fast. All right, so take out the 2 screws from the knobs, pull from the bottom up, slide it out, disconnect the 3 switches in the back, and then I'm going to be changing out these 2, 1, 2, and I still got to get the right size for that one. But yeah, so I was thinking when I get back from Seattle, I might pick up another center console. Of course, it won't have this, guys, but I think I'm going to do the Eclipse in here and do a giveaway. So if you guys are XB Gen 1 guys, I'll have a giveaway for you guys, or if anyone wants to just win one, you guys can sell it or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swap these bulbs right now. My wife is gonna get Jack in the Box. What I'm using is just flathead. Put it in there and give it a little turn and then pop them out. And they look like this. There's a whole bunch of videos on YouTube, so I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys already watched it, but that's what I'm taking out. So we'll swap this out really fast, and then we'll grab the ones out of the Amazon bag. So just comparison how small they are. Of course, that's LED, and then the OEM. So let me swap these in and see like that. Just drop it in and twist. Drop in, twist, and good to go. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then we'll check tonight. All right, so I was struggling. I was thinking, oh my God, did I order the wrong ones? But because they seem so loose, and I got them in now. I have this covering the sun, but they're pretty bright. Boom! So we got blue lights. Hell yeah! So I do need to change out these ones. I'm not sure. I might just do I don't know. I might change it to another color, green or something. 2 different sets. But yeah, we're good. So I'm gonna throw everything back in now because man, I was stressing. So let me get this going so I can finish up this grill. I gotta paint it tonight. All right. So if you guys remembered a video back a couple weeks, a month now, I didn't want to get this grill because it was 43 bucks. But in the junkyard, it's the only grill without the broken in tabs. So I already started working on it, cutting all the slots. I got to make them bigger now. I got to open up about these 2 spots here so I can get the air to the oil cooler. Damn, I just ate the hiccups now. So we got to get air. And then I was like, I have the Lexus emblems. I wonder if I can, they're the same size as the Scions. And they are. So what I did was Dremel sides opening to where you can tell I messed up. So I had to keep going until they fit exactly straight on there. But then we have this showing. So what I was gonna do, get the glue sticks. I was gonna fill in the gap with the glue. Smooth it out to make it all even, and then I was going to take some glow-in-the-dark sticker for vinyl, put it all in here, set this on top of it, so during the night when it gets dark, this will glow in the dark. So I figured it'd be something kind of cool. So I'm just going to Dremel this, fill this in, and then hopefully tomorrow start painting to get it all done, and then throw it on for the weekend and see how it holds up. So Let me go ahead and get a Dremel. I'm just gonna do before and after because I don't want to waste the time. So let me knock this out. Alright, so made the slots. They're not that pretty, but I did it on purpose because gotta go back to Harbor Freight, grab the files, stop being a cheap ass. And I was there, I picked them up, and then I put them back because I didn't want to pay $7, or $4. So I'm gonna go back tomorrow, grab them, and then I'm gonna take the file and file these all to the right size, which should be like this one. And technically I just need to do this side because this is where the oil cooler needs to get air. This side is nothing, it's just like the battery. I mean, I can do it for the hell of it, just so there's air going in consistent, but this is the main one. I didn't open this one up because the bracket point's here. I'm just gonna make a nice big slot here. So, and then we'll clean this tomorrow. File it, paint it. Probably just gonna paint over it. I'm not gonna prep it, sand or anything, just paint straight over it so I can get this on the car for Saturday. And then I'm gonna get the glue going, and we're gonna put glue in those spots. And then work on the emblem, and that'll be ready for tomorrow as well to paint and put on the glow in the dark sticker. So we should be almost done. Then I gotta shower and go to bed and get up and go to work. And then we have company party this Saturday, so I'm not working overtime. We're going to, is it Six Flags in Vallejo? I've never been there, so that'll be the first time. And then I picked this up for the road trip. Oh damn, all the pressing. I'm gonna run 91, throw this in, run 91 and let it circulate. Hopefully my oil catch can comes in. My visors came in, so we'll slap those on tomorrow. I'm not gonna do it tonight because it is, it's dark. It just doesn't look like it on camera. But I'm gonna fill this up. I don't have a hot glue gun, so I'm gonna go and grab the heat gun. I'm just gonna melt this shit and dip it in there. And I was using this to, what's it called? Pull the dents out of the car. I'd melt this, stick it on the car, and pop, and it works. But now we're gonna use this glue and fill in these gaps. So make this happen. So good thing I collect these emblems. And I got some gold ones I'm gonna put on Benny's car. So let me fill these up. Alright, so dropping the glue inside there, and then we'll just level it out. Let it dry, and we'll just keep doing that, and then I'll go over with a razor blade and shave it off. And that's what I'm basically doing. I'm doing each hole till it's leveled, shave it off, let it dry, and then I'll throw some, what's it called, some paint over it and cover it all up, just using glue. So I'm doing with what I can and what I have. Oh shit. Okay, let me clean this up real fast. Alright, so fill it up with glue, and there's a bunch of crap that's all stuck inside there, but it's okay, and I can see it with the wrap. So we're gonna let that dry off. It is a little high, but we're gonna shave it with a razor and get it all level. And then I'll throw some black paint over it to cover the glue. Hopefully the paint will stick to the glue. If not, it don't matter. Just I need something where it's gonna be flat to where this glow in the dark is gonna stick. And then we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna let this dry now, and then I'm gonna shave it with a razor. If not, I'll probably do it tomorrow. The grill, I'm gonna take this probably with me. Damn, I wish I didn't become lazy and did not want to buy the little files, because damn, I need it, and I only have like this gigantor file. Now that's for the tire. I don't have a file in here. That sucks. Oh, man, I can get some in here, the bottom one. Let's see this one. Yeah, so I have this one, and that's way too rough. So Look at this. It's for gapping. These are tools all from when I was a kid. Yeah, so I'm gonna let that dry, then I'm gonna start chipping away with the razor blade. Get it smooth. Alright, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow, and we'll continue this when I'm off.